Good morning, friends. I hope you had a great spring break. I am excited to be back with you this morning reading a story called The Good for Nothing Button. What are you reading, Piggy? Nothing. Nothing? I can see you are reading something. I am reading something about nothing. That is something I want to read too. The Good for Nothing Button. Hey, it's Yellowbird. Hi, Yellowbird. Hey, look. Look what I have. Wow. Wowee, wow, wow. I cannot believe it. What is it? It's a button. A red button. Red is my favorite. What does it do? Nothing. Nothing? Yes, nothing. Watch. Press. See? Nothing. May I press the button? Yes, Bluebird, you may press the button. Press. Wow! Wow, what? The button is so easy to press. It surprised me. A surprise is not nothing. That is true. Can I press the button? Yes, Redbird, you may press the button. Yeah, button, button, button. I am pressing the button. Press! Wow! The button did not surprise me. See? The button does nothing. Redbird, now you are sad. And sad is not nothing. That is true. Wait, the button cannot make you sad. The button does nothing. May I try again? Okay, fine. Here goes nothing. Press. Wow! The button surprised you again. It did. The button makes us happy. Happy button, happy button, happy button. Stop. The button does nothing. See? Press. I am pressing the button. Press. And nothing is happening. Press. It is a good for nothing button. Uh-oh. The button is making him mad. The button is not making me mad. I will prove it. I am pressing the button. Press. Look, I am not mad. I am relaxed. Now the button is making him calm. What? Ah! Press, press, press. The button cannot make me calm or mad or happy or surprised or scared or icky or anything else. Yellow bird, we know what the button does. The button makes you funny. Funny? Funny? I like being funny. Funny is nice. Let's all be funny. Press, press, press. Funny, funny, funny. Button, button, button. Crash. Wow, that button does everything. That it does. What should we do now? More nothing. Nothing is my favorite. That button is gives me a headache. This book makes me want to press a button. I do not see any buttons around here. I do. Beep. Press. I am impressed. That's the end of our story. Have a great rest of your day, friends. I'll have another story for you on Wednesday.